Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to implement a chatbot in Python with your own customized training data. So in this video, you will be getting like how to create your own training data, and you will be able to know that how to train your list trainer using your customizable own training data. So let's discuss the example. So here, how to create your own customizable data that we need to first look into it. So actually, I have already created our own customizable data. So I will just copy it and paste it here. You can create your own customizable data. Here you can see it is just an array of a string. Okay. So here you have to pass like whatever your conversation will be like. If I say hi, then my bot should give me the answer. Hi, how are you? Then if I say I'm fine and you, so it should say I am good also. So this is how I have created the conversation, and I have created another conversation like what is Python. So I have created the definition of the Python here and pasted it here. So let's see how we can train our trainer. So for this customizable trainer, you need to use list trainer. Okay, you need to add the list trainer from the chatbot.trainers. So after that, I will just comment these two lines that we did in previously created videos. So for creating a list trainer, I will just create a variable for it. List trainer is, and I will pass the list trainer to my bot. Okay. After that, what I will do, like I will add list trainer dot train. I will invoke the function of list trainer dot train, and in the train, we have to pass the data. But for that, before that, it takes only one argument. So for that, before that, we have to do for item in con1, and right now we have only two conversations, so we will be taking only two. You can take a file and you can add one by one, that also you can do. Yeah. So here I will be adding item into it. So by this the list trainer will get trained by the your own customizable data. So now let's run this program and see what is the result. Yeah, so you can see that list trainer is getting trained by first of the conversation and then second of the conversation. If I say hi, so it is bot is giving me answer as how are you doing. So if I say what is Python, so it will give me the answer. Python is interpreted and object-oriented high-level programming language. So which is we have mentioned here. So by using the array of the string, we can create your own customizable data, and by using list trainer, you can add the customizable training data to your Python bot, and you can use that. So what if I say like I will show you another example. If I say I'm going to office right now, so what it will do? Let's see. So yeah, it's saying, oh good, have a nice day. Okay. So this is how it is working right now, because it is giving the another answer because it is already given into the database. Okay. So this is how we can customize our own data, and now I am going to tell you like where actually these files has been located. So I will also in the previous video I missed this information, so I am going to tell you in this video right now. So for that you have to go into Python installation folder, and in this Python installation folder go into lib, then site packages, and here you can see all the libraries that you have installed. So go into chatterbot corpus, and in the chatterbot corpus you can see the data folder. In the data folder you can see all the languages has been for the all language it has created one folder for each. So if you go into the English, then you will be able to see all the files that in the previously video it has loaded into the as a training data. So this is how you can use your uh, Python bot to train your own customizable data. So let me know if you have any questions or doubt. Please comment into my comment section of this video. And until then, you can practice of these videos. I will be uh, If you have any questions or doubt, I will check your comments and let you know what will be answer for it. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.